Hey y'all, it's Morgan from All Things Automotive. Today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Nissan Rogue SV in a silver exterior. I would like to mention this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX with one previous owner. We're going to walk around and show you some features, advantages, and benefits of owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, you will notice a black grille insert with chrome trim. Along the bottom, you will notice your black accents. And take a look at those gorgeous LED headlights. As we make our way to the side, you will notice light new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. A couple things to point out on the exterior: you will have turn signal indicators, as well as proximity locks. Moving forward, we'll go ahead and show you guys the interior. The interior of this vehicle will come with a premium black cloth, along with a black dash. While we're in here, we'll go ahead and get out the inspection sheet to show you guys the tire depth as well as the brakes. For your tire depth, you have 12 and 32 seconds all the way around. And for your brakes, the front pads will be 14 and 32 seconds, and your rear pads will be 12 and 32 seconds. In the back seat, that premium black cloth interior will stay the same. Not to mention, you will have a pull-down middle console here with 2 cup holders. And on the back of the center console, you will have your heat and AC vents. Coming here to the rear, this vehicle is equipped with a backup camera. While we're back here, we'll go ahead and pop the trunk to show you guys the trunk size. Making our way now to some of the interior features of this vehicle, it will come equipped with power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and power seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this vehicle up for y'all. You will notice that this vehicle will come with just under 68,000 miles on it. To the left of your steering wheel, you will have your dash brightness as well as your trip reset. You will also have your traction control as well as your parking sensors, your trunk release, and your gas release. You will also have your all-wheel drive options as well as your sport and economy mode. The left knob here behind your steering wheel will be your headlight options as well as your turn signals and your bright lights. The right knob here behind your steering wheel will be your windshield wipers. On the left side of your steering wheel, you will have your dashboard options as well as your audio options. And on the right side of your steering wheel, you will have your cruise control as well as your talking options. Coming here to the center, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready. As I mentioned earlier, you will also have a backup camera. You will also have your climate control options here in the center, as well as a storage area with a 12-volt plug-in and a USB plug-in. You will have your gear shifter, 2 cup holders, your heated seats, and a large center console. To end off the interior features, up top you will have your lighting options, as well as a sunglass holder. Taking a look underneath the hood, you will find a 2.5L i4F GOHC 16V engine. Notice too that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you may find. Starting here at the front end, you will have a couple of stone chips. Here on the rear passenger side door, you will have a small scratch. Here along the back bumper, you will have several scratches as well as a couple chips. Here behind the rear driver's side door, you will have a couple scratches. Here on the rear driver's side door, you will have a scratch. You will also have a couple scratches here on the front driver's side door. These are all pre-owned vehicles here, All Things Automotive. However, we believe in minimizing them as much as possible. That's all I have for y'all today on this 2020 Nissan Rogue SV in a silver exterior. Please hit that like and subscribe button and stay updated on any new vehicle here at All Things Automotive. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales, or just go ahead and stop by to see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollsburg, PA.